Hi, good evening. This is Scott. That's Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at ONON. It's ticker ONON. This is a shoe company, and evidently they have really good earnings. You can see that today from the chart, how we had a gap up above all these major moving averages on a massive pickup in volume. Look at this. This is the most amount of volume that this stock has traded ever. And so this is definitely something that has my attention. Now, you could say, well, you should have bought it before earnings, but that's always a gamble. It can always go the other way, even in a good market, by the way. But the market likes this earnings report, and one thing that catches my eye is the fact that it didn't sell off. Now, of course, it was a bit of a strong day in the market, has been the last couple of days, but I want to see ONON hold this gap, hold this 25.45 level. It may kind of meander here for a couple of days. That would be fine, but I'd like to see it at least hold above this level and then break higher. And if I zoom out here, you can see the weekly chart, juicy, looks really nice. Weekly higher high, and of course, that massive volume. So if this trend does continue, and I don't think it's going to go there in a straight line, but if it does, I would look for this to maybe even test this previous high zone from December, November of 2021. That's a pretty good swing trade up there. That's about a 60% move. I call that a year maker. So this is definitely one that's on my radar, specifically because it had earnings. The market liked the earnings, and it held the gap. So we want to make sure it holds that gap and potentially breaks out and makes a new high. So that's one thing that I'll be watching right now here with ONON. I have way more analysis if you like it, but you got to click on StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, take a trial, $7 for 30 days. Not a bad deal. I'm Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I hopefully will see you on the other side.